Frankly, William, it's a waste of time.
The two main telephone manufacturers in Austria during the 1960s were Schraktechnik GmbH and Kapsch und Cirne. Today, both firms make electronic components and equipment for uses such as radar and traffic control. This unusual rotary dial loudspeaking telephone has no identifying markings on it, apart from the partially erased Made in Austria on the base and the Kapsch und Cirne trademark stamped into the receiver alongside, if I have correctly interpreted it, the date 1962, which, although it might seem quite early for a loudspeaking telephone like this, would make it a close contemporary of the revolutionary Ericavox, which was introduced in 1959. At that time, loudspeaking telephones were only used on private systems. It is possible that this set was assembled by Scheier Missile and Company, who became ITT Austria, or Standard Telefon und Telegraphen AG. The dial appears to be a standard Österreichische Post- und Telegraphenverwaltung, OPT, Austrian Post and Telegraph Administration type, but has no maker's mark, and has a lip for securing a dial label cover rather than the distinctive center often found in OPT sets. Like some earlier Austrian sets, the hinge base is secured by a single screw at the back, in this instance just above the code entry. Inside we can see that this is a conventional telephone to which has been added what was, at the time, a small transistor amplifier. As well as the internal AC buzzer, the metal case terminal block houses a DC buzzer which could be used as part of an intercom function, typically where a secretary intercepted calls and visitors for their boss. As with many sets intended for use on private exchanges, this set has no paster. We can, however, show it in use.